Welcome to Agua International Water Relief's Global Water Supply Solution Strategic Overview. Agua International is a U.S.-based 501c3 nonprofit corporation. Our mission is to empower poverty-stricken small communities to develop and sustain clean water supplies. As part of this mission, we've identified 4 areas throughout the world that are of primary concern in developing a clean water supply solution. The first being in the Americas, South America, Central America, and Northern America. We are also interested in U.S. domestic issues to include an aging infrastructure and waterway and watershed protection. The second section is in Africa to include the countries and territories within. The third being in Asia and the Middle East. And the fourth being Asia, the Southeast. Our overall mission is not limited to just the areas that are seen in orange. However, they provide a systematic approach to establishing a global water supply solution. We've further subdivided each strategic section into regional subsections, for example, in South America, Central America, and North America. Our approach to this solution is establishing what we consider rain bases, as seen in the dark areas. When we establish projects in North America and Central America, our intention is to facilitate the transmission of that information we teach people, as seen in the pathways in white, so that the areas in between eventually benefit from the projects we've already implemented in the North and the South. Now, we also plan on actually implementing projects in the areas identified in green. However, we hope that some of the information has already reached those areas before we get there, so that it further provides a synergistic effect to carrying out our mission. Now, taking a further look into El Salvador, where we've already identified 5 projects, the San Rafael Suchitoto region is an area where we didn't actually have maps when we went there. The local municipality doesn't have those resources, and through Google Earth, through a Google Earth outreach grant, we've been able to create our own maps so that, 1, we know how to get back there, but 2, we can also measure distances as far as calculating how much it'll cost to help obtain materials, as well as elevation profiles in lending engineering advice to the local organizations there, and overall project management. Now, skipping to Agua International's regional rain base in Ensenada, Mexico, our flagship project at La Iglesia de la Gran Commission is currently underway, and our point of contact is Pastor Ruben, and he is basically providing aid to the community at large, and he's not just giving help to people who are parishioners of his church. He's somebody who's meeting the needs that where the state is leaving off, and for the most part, people on the outskirts of Ensenada don't have access to clean water. So we decided by helping him, we were actually helping the community at large, and was a great place to start. Now, the system we designed around his church community is what we call System 1, and it's a generic template of what we plan on reduplicating and augmenting as far as each territory brings its own problems and obstacles. But by installing a rain harvesting system on his church roof and creating a collection point and using innovative pumping design to getting it to the high point on the property, we're able to use a total system integration that will not only collect, clean, but distribute clean water supplies to his entire community.